Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can manage cookie settings for your account on Doodle in 2026. So let us dive into this. Okay guys, so you will need to be logged into your account, of course, and then scroll down, for example, here on your dashboard, and then click into privacy settings, right? From there, go through these settings here for your cookies, right? So you can, for example, expand the given cookie type here, or well, I don't see any of you need to scroll down, of course, and then simply switch them on or off depending on your decision, like social media cookies and so on and so forth. And you can go through all of these. Some of them are always active, so as you can see, you can't disable them, but most of them can be either turned on or turned off. Then confirm by clicking into this button. You may also allow all or reject all, that's up to you. And after that, these cookie settings will be applied for your account on Doodle. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.